If you want to create an account on X, formerly Twitter, this video will walk you through the process step by step in a quick and simple way. Whether you're signing up on your phone or on a computer, I'll show you what to click, what to type, and how to finish setting up your new account without getting stuck. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and app guides just like this. It really helps the channel grow, and I truly appreciate it. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to x.com or twitter.com. Both addresses will take you to the X sign-up page. Once the page loads, look for the blue Create Account button and click it. If you prefer, you may also see options to sign up with Google or sign up with Apple. Those are helpful if you want to connect an existing account and move a little faster. Next, X will ask you for your basic information. Start by entering your name in the name field. This should be the name you want to appear on your profile. After that, select your date of birth using the drop-down menus. This part is important because platforms like X use this information to help confirm account eligibility and set up your profile correctly. Once everything looks good, click Next to continue. Now you'll move into the Account Setup section. Here, you'll usually be asked to choose an email address or phone number for verification. Pick the option you want to use and make sure it's an email or phone number you can access right away, because you may need a code to confirm your account. Then create a strong password. Try to use something that's secure, unique, and not easy to guess. After that, re-enter the password when prompted so X can confirm it matches. At this point, X may ask you to complete a verification step. In some cases, you'll see a QR code on screen that you can scan with your phone so X can confirm that you are a real person. If that appears, just follow the on-screen instructions carefully and complete the scan using your mobile device. This is part of the platform's safety and anti-bot protection, so don't worry if you see it during sign-up. You may also be asked to complete a verification challenge. This could be a visual puzzle, rotating images, or matching icons on the screen. Just take your time and follow the instructions exactly as they appear. If you make a mistake, you can usually try again until it's completed successfully. Once the verification is done, you can finish the final account setup and start customizing your profile. This is where you can add a profile picture, write a short bio, and adjust your preferences so your account feels more personal and ready to use. You can also explore privacy settings, notification settings, and other account options later once you're fully signed in. And that's it. You now know how to create an account on X step by step. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.